Well, welcome back. Yeah, we haven't, I know it's kind of awkward. I haven't done anything with this channel in a minute. But last time, I had this car actually sold. And my neighbors sold it back to me. I'm in a different area now. This is basically our home now. We are living off-grid. So we're doing a different thing now. Anyway, back to this box. I went to go help somebody out yesterday and kind of hit something hard, even though I didn't feel like it was hard. And now I got this going on. Oh. I'm gonna have to figure this out. What happened? I'm gonna have to take this strut or this rear shock out. Hey, my boy. Oh no! The wind is breaking our makeshift tent. Boy, it's the tools. Whoa. I think that's enough. I know, my boy. That's what I didn't want to do, adjust the right height. I have to twist this guy down here. Okay, well, let's see what happened here.
It looks bouncy.
Looks bouncy?
Yeah.
The spring looks bouncy?
Yeah, looks bouncy. This window.
Well, That's not good. Oh, it went past this little clip ring right here.
What? No way.
Yeah.
That's not good.
No, it's not. It's all the way down here. Now I gotta figure out how to move it back up.
You take it off, Dada?
I'm taking all of this off.
Yeah, I can see some of you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I can see you the fixing.
Don't stop still. Let's get the shock.
It's really hard.
Still works.
Still works.
We're gonna need to take this little clip off.
You what?
Yeah, this little clip. So we'll
Yeah.
take it off with our fingers, because why not? Now we take this off. We'll take all this stuff. So the cool thing is, the thing for my helmet broke off, so now I gotta hold it manually. So that's fun. And not the best looking weld, but it'll do. There we go. That's good ass new. Now I gotta do my ride height and my spring preload. It's not too bad off. Just gotta tighten it up. So I got my preload done. I'm gonna do my ride adjust, my height adjust. And the way I'm gonna do that, since there isn't really a flat place to be measuring the height of the car, I'm gonna just match the height of the other side for now. I need to get a different kind of camera so I could record these videos. Okay, it says 14.7. Well, I mean 114.7 millimeter. Oh, I'm actually pretty close. I'm actually on the money. Yeah, once I tighten that up, it should go 0.7, I think. Let's try it out. Okay, adjusted it and tightened it up. $14.65, and I am okay with that. So it's just time to put the tire back on and take it for a drive. Of course, you gotta make sure you torque them down. Always torque your bolts down. Let's see. Well, that's been a journey so far. Trying to get this car. It runs, it drives, and everything. It's just, I hit that thing so damn hard yesterday. Yeah, my torque wrench. Just kidding. I have an actual torque wrench. I just didn't. I didn't feel the need to use it. Nice. Yeah, the reason I bought this car again is because my neighbor said he was gonna sell it because he bought another car. He's all like, because I sold it to my neighbor, and he gave me a pretty good, offer for it. He said, you know what, this car was so much fun and reliable that I said, screw it, let's do it. Yeah, it sounds good. No weird clanking. We'll check it back out once we get to the store.